If you're using Google Bard, you should definitely know about these three settings that you can adjust inside of Google Bard to enhance your security. And at the end of the video, we will also talk about Google Bard's image search feature that Google have just announced. So without wasting any more time, let's dive into the video. First of all, head over to bard.google.com to access Google Bard's AI. So the first setting that you might want to change is Bard activity. So head over to the left side and click on Bard activity. So what it does, Google says that when Bard activity is turned on, Google stores every activity on your account, including your device IP address, your home address, and your work address. And it also saves every prompt that you entered in Google Bard. But don't worry about that, Google have also gave you an option to turn that off. So you can click on this button to turn off that feature. So the second setting to be considered is auto delete function. So again, head over to the Bard activity, click on that. So if your Bard activity function is turned on, which is by default turned on for everyone, so click on auto delete. So now we have two options, and by default don't auto delete activity option will be selected. So you can select auto delete activity and select the time frame. So now you have option of three different time frames. You can select one of them. So I'm gonna click on 3 months and click on next. Now Google will automatically delete all of your chat histories which is 3 months older. So the final setting to be explored is choosing when and what to delete. Again, head over to Bard activity, and here you can see all of your prompt history. So if you want to delete a specific prompt, you can click on that, and if you want to delete a complete range of prompts, you also have that option. So click on that delete button, and here you can see you have three different options, in fact 4, to delete your prompt history, just like Google's history. So if you want to select your own range, you can click on that custom range button, and here you can enter your date, from what time frame to what time frame Google should delete your history. So let's say I want to delete my history from 1st of May to 1st of June. So I will simply enter my dates and next. So by adjusting all of these settings, you can better protect your privacy and your data from being stored by Google. So instead of just protecting your privacy, you should also protect your eyes. So make sure to turn on that dark theme. So let's try Google Bard's image search feature. Let's say if I type what are best restaurants in California, it will give me a complete list of the restaurants with their locations, their images, and it will also suggest me some of their best foods. And this is an interesting thing. You can also use this feature for some other purpose. Let's say if I want him to find me some royalty-free images of a sushi, so it will search the web and find me some royalty-free images of that food. And it's also showing me their source where he is getting all of these pictures. So this was just a demo. You can use this feature for multiple things. So if you want to know about some secret prompts of Google Bard, I have already made video on that topic. So make sure to check the description below. And that's it from this video. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one.